Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide YouTube Shorts live. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple step. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your YouTube Studio where you can uh, hide your Shorts likes. And basically you can do this from either your web browser by going to the YouTube Studio web app or website, or you can just do it here by the mobile app. So now let's just dive into the YouTube Studio, and from here we will be needing just to search for our content or for our shorts. And to do so, you can just simply uh, filter by shorts, and then you will find only the shorts here. And basically, all we need to do is just to click on any shorts that you want to hide its likes. For example, this one. And now we will be needing to edit these shorts. You can click on edit, and basically it will take us to the editing menu, or we could have simply go to this 3 points icon and click on the edit. And basically here it will take us to uh, the editing menu. So basically now all we need to do is just to uh, change some settings, and as you can see those are just the visibility, it is unlisted, etc. And those are some links that you can add to your video, like a URL or a link to another video. And basically here we can find additional settings, and basically you can see here that there is an option of show how many viewers like this video. And by unchecking this one, you have successfully hidden uh, your shorts likes. And you will need just to make sure that it's unchecked. You go back and you save the changes, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.